Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to share a very simple and healthy salad and I've named it the vegetable scoop salad. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are some bell peppers. I have taken red and orange bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumber and mix of organic or regular carrots. So I have orange, yellow and purple carrots, some lemon juice or lime juice, red chili powder, salt to taste, little bit of sugar and cilantro. Now we're going to mix all the vegetables in this bowl. First go in the bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumber, the carrots, then the cilantro, lime juice, freshly squeezed, red chili powder, this will be according to your taste or desire, some sugar and some salt. Mix the whole thing really well till all the juices mix together. And now you can serve it as is in this bowl, or I'm using the multigrain nacho shells which is in the shape of a scoop. And we're just going to plate it like this, and this goes the last one. So this looks really attractive with all the colorful vegetables and very healthy as well. I hope you like this recipe. Do like and subscribe if you do, and thank you for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.